Hey, welcome back to my ClickBank series, ladies and gentlemen. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified every time when I make a new video. Also, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. What I'm doing is I'm promoting ClickBank products with this service called My Lead Gen Secrets. What My Lead Gen Secrets is, for $1 a day, they will give me 100 leads. So I got 2 accounts signed up, and I signed up my second account using my affiliate link from my first account to sign up my second account. And what that did was that gave my first account 100 bonus leads every single day. So now I get 200 bonus leads every single day for $1, and I get still $100 or 100 leads for $1 every single day on my second account. So for $2 a day, I'm getting 300 leads. If you're just now tuning into this, please go back and watch the beginning of this series right below this video. If you scroll down to right here, check out this playlist, watch the very first video. I show you how to set up your accounts the proper way, and I explain slowly exactly what I'm doing in this series, because I'm going to be breezing through the rest of these videos because I already show what I'm doing in the very beginning. So be sure to go back and watch the very beginning, otherwise you're just going to be lost. So with that being said, we're going to check my results from yesterday and today. Or I should say the day before yesterday and yesterday, because I haven't sent out my emails today. So I'm going to go to ClickBank and I'm going to sign in. Now that I'm signed in, we have no sales. All right. I didn't even send emails out. Sometimes whenever I miss days, I still send my emails out, but I didn't even send emails out at all yesterday. That's how busy of a day I had. So right now I'm going to click on my account name and we're going to check on some stats real quick. I'm going to click on reporting. And right now we're at 4,648 hops. All right, and no sales. I'm going to check on my tracking IDs. All right, my second account's starting to pick up some hops. They started off kind of slow. They're getting the most sales, so that's what's crazy. All right, so now we're going to go promote. I was promoting this app called Right Apps, Right App Reviews. So I'm going to come up here to the marketplace where it says marketplace up here at the top. I'm going to click on that. And over here on the far left, it's going to bring up a bunch of categories. And the category that these leads will only work in one category, and that is e-business and e-marketing, because the leads that we are getting every single day, they are trying to make money online. So the only category that this will work for is e-business and e-marketing. It will not work for any other category. So click on e-business and e-marketing. And then we sort everything by gravity instead of rank. So click sort results by and click on gravity. This is the one we were doing, this Right App Reviews. So I'm going to right click on this affiliate page right here. Now I'm going to open new tab. Now in this new tab, they're going to have my email swipes right here. So they have pre-written emails that we can use. And this is what we're going to use to send our emails out. So now I'm going to come over here and sign into my Lead Gen Secret, my first account. No, I typed that in wrong. Now the first thing I'm going to do is click on mailing system. And I'm going to hit select all right here. So all of my leads will be selected. I have 30,200 leads on this account. The last email I sent will show in this box right here. It says new $500 job match for you. So I'm going to come over here to the email swipes. All right, so that was email number 4. So now we're ready for email number 5. No CV required is the subject. So I'm going to copy that subject right there. And I'm going to come back up here to where it says mailing system. I'm going to paste that subject right here in that box. Now I'm going to scroll down to the body and it says, attention, please replace this text with your email ad body. So I'm going to select all of that and I'm just going to delete everything. And I'm going to come back up here to my Write Apps tab up here. We could also use this header if we want to. They're giving us 2. We could choose no CV required or just 1 click to start receiving $35 an hour. I like that title better, so I'm going to choose that subject. All right. Then we're going to copy everything in the body right here where it says body. We're going to copy everything below there. And we're going to stop where it says signature. Then we're going to come back and paste it right here in this box. Now I like to do my little 0 through 9 trick. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I do that 4 times. So pretty much after security, I just do that because I don't want my emails to stretch past that line pretty much. So I'm going to shorten my sentences. Anything that goes past here, I'm just going to drop it down to a new line. And I find that easier to do with Notepad down here. And I already have one open, so I'll just paste that down right here. I'm just going to shorten these lines up. So just give me 1 second. Shouldn't take me too long. All right. Now I'm just going to select it all again. Hit copy. And I'm going to select everything in here. And I'm going to paste it. Now right here where it says name, they have these little codes up here. Full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, sign up date. Anywhere where it says name like that, like it does right here, we're just going to take the first name. So highlight the first name, copy that, highlight that little area that says name, or you can just delete it, whichever one, and just paste that little code right there. And what that does is that's going to put whoever you're emailing's name right there in that spot. So now let's see if we got something else to edit. Right here where it says signature, you will put your name. And now we need to go get our affiliate link, and we need to put our affiliate link somewhere in this email address so people can click on it. That way, if they click on it and buy, you will get paid. So here's how you do that. You'll come back to the very first tab, your ClickBank tab. And this is the one we're promoting, the Write App Reviews. So we're going to click on the button that says promote. Right here should have your account nickname. That's very important. Your nickname should be right there. And for a tracking ID, as you can see, the nickname is required. The tracking ID is optional. You do not need a tracking ID. I like to track just to see which account is bringing in the sales and stuff like that. So I kind of like to track that. Since this is my first account on My Lead Gen Secret, I just put MLGS, which stands for My Lead Gen Secret. Then you'll just hit this create hop link. And there you have it. There's your affiliate link. You can select it all right there and copy it. Or they have a copy button, which my head is covering up right here. All you have to do is just click the copy button. It looks just like this, but it says copy. So you'll click copy and it says hop link copy. Now that we have the hop link copied, we're going to come back to the mailing system. Now we're going to read through here and try to find anywhere where we could think the perfect place for this link to go. Right here where it says, then you need to see this job. That sounds like a good place to put it. So I'm going to highlight that little sentence. Then you need to see this job. Anytime it tells you to see something or take a look at this, that's always a good place to put a link. So what you will do is you will highlight that sentence and you will hit either Control L like this, or you can come up here and click on this little button right here. It looks like a little link. So you'll click that, and right here is where we're going to paste our hop link. So there you have it. I'm going to look, see if there's any other places. Click the link below to apply now. It's just one button click. So there again, we're going to insert the link. So we're going to highlight that sentence. We're going to come up here and click on this link. And we're going to paste that right there where it says URL. I'm going to hit OK. If the second option sounds good to you, click here now. So anytime it says click here now, you know you got to put your link in there so they can click. So I'm going to highlight that sentence again. I'm going to hit Control L, or you can click on that link up at the top. I'm going to paste that link in there. I'm going to hit OK. Now, since everything, I got the link posted 3 times. Don't ever post more than 3 times. 3 times is a lot in one email. Click this box that says perfect timing. I can't do it right now because I still have to wait 13 minutes. But what I would do, there would be 2 buttons over here. One would say send email, one would say preview email. I would hit preview email first. It will pull up a box. And then I would click on my links to make sure that they worked. And if they work, then we're good to send the email. And all you would just do is just click the send button. If they don't work, then you did something wrong when you were trying to put them in right here. So, and that's it for email number 1. Now to do email number 2, you know what? I'm going to pause the video until I can send out these emails. So I'm going to pause it for 12 minutes. And then whenever I come back, I'll show you how to send out the second email. So I will be right back in 1 second. All right, I am back. I just sent out my email, so I have another 23 hours before I can send another one. So now I'm going to go send the email out through my second account. And here's the quick way to do that. I'm going to stay signed in on this account. And I'm going to right click up here where it says mailing system. So I'm going to right click. Now I'm going to hit duplicate. That's going to open up a new tab. In this new tab, I'm going to sign out. Now I can sign out. And then I'm going to sign right back in with my second account, this eWazir2. Now I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on mailing system. I'm going to select all, just like I did on the first email. For the subject, I'm going to come back to the first tab. You see I got 2 mailing system tabs up here. I'm going to click on the one on the left, the first one. I'm going to copy the subject. I'm going to come back to the second tab and I'm going to paste it right there in that subject box. Then I'm going to come down and erase everything in the body. I'm going to come back to this first tab and highlight everything in here and copy everything. Then I'm going to paste it back in this box over here. Now I'm going to click this box for perfect timing. Now the only thing I need to do here, just because I am tracking this, is I need to double click on these blue lines right here. And at the end of this, I'm going to put a number 2, just because this is my second account. And I want to track it using the number 2 behind the MLGS. Just so I know that it's my second account. And I'm going to double click on this and I'm going to do the same thing. Put a 2 at the end. I'm going to hit preview just to check it, make sure my links work, which they should since I just copied it from the first email. All right, they all work. I can close this out and I can hit the button that says send email. And that is how simple it is to send a second email out with your second account. And you'll just keep continuing to do that if you have more than 2 accounts. So if you got your third account, you'll just close. You won't close it. You'll just log out and then duplicate that one. So easy peasy. All right, we'll come back tomorrow and we'll check on my results. Y'all have a good day. It's starting to warm up where I'm at, so I'm about to start wearing some shorts here. I can't wait to pull out some shorts, man. It's my favorite time of year. You all have a good day. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.